Welcome to the latest episode in our Unity video newsletter that we're now calling it. It's August, or we're just starting August 2019, and we have several things in our mind. But first of all, we're going to look back at the celebration day, the centenary event, which was on July the 13th. So how did it go, Kimberly? What did you feel about it?
It was a wonderful day, mostly because of all the wonderful people that showed up. We had some lovely people leading it and stepping up and sharing from their hearts and their experiences throughout the day. Great musicians, lots of singing, as we always do in Unity. But above all of that, and through that, what really made it so special for me is all those that travelled to be there, that took their time to take part in the day and help it be the success it was. And when we all stood in a circle singing the prayer, the peace song and the prayer for protection at the end of the day, it was just a fabulous feeling. There was a lot of love and energy and joy in the room, and Doreen Davenport said to me afterwards that she really felt it was a real unity day of everyone coming together, and it was. So it was a wonderful celebration.
Wonderful, wonderful. Now, getting back to our more routine events, we've just had a retreat, the silent retreat at Holland House in Worcestershire. But coming up next in a few weeks' time, at the end of this month, I think, or the beginning of no, it's the end of September, isn't it?
End of September.
Later on in September,
Yeah.
is the Whalley Abbey retreat, which is not silent. It's going to have some talks.
Yes, lots of great speakers and presenters. Our LUT, our students in training to be teachers in Unity, our licensed Unity teachers, are all going to be presenting, and they've got some wonderful ideas and approaches that they want to share, that they've been learning as they've been studying and growing themselves. And of course our lovely Ken Bradley will be with us also. And I know you're coming, Steve, and obviously I'll be there, and lots of other wonderful people too. So yes, there's plenty of space at Whalley Abbey. It's a lovely location, a very special place, the retreat centre there, and one can get there by train. You don't have to drive in Lancashire, and that's a Thursday to Saturday weekend because it's easier to travel on those days to get up to Lancashire. So it's going to be a lovely weekend, as you say, lots of talking and sharing, but also prayer time and quiet time, because it's really important that we learn to listen to our hearts in quietness as well as what's coming into us from others. So
Great, and there are still some places there, so if anyone's interested, they can go online or just give us a ring, and we can book them in. But hurry, there may not be too many places left soon. Anyway, so still in September, we have our World Day of Prayer, which takes place, is it the second Thursday of each September every year?
That's right.
So tell us a little bit more about that, Kimberly.
Well, it always surprises me how quickly it comes around. It always feels like September, that's months away, and yet here we are now, 1st of August, and it's less than 6 weeks away. So everything now in me is gearing towards the World Day of Prayer and different ways that people can join us. We have the form that's in the current Daily Word that you can complete and send back to us with any names you wish held in prayer. And also, if you can join us in your homes, wherever you are, at some point during the 12 hours, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m, we hold a continual prayer vigil here in this prayer room, then it's wonderful to know that we're connecting with many people around the country as well, of course, as around the world. We also have it open on Zoom, which is the internet conference meeting room that people can join us throughout those 12 hours. And then there's a real sense where two or more are gathered here, God is in the midst. There is that real connecting, expanding, opening energy that we get when we pray together in this way. So the theme this year is Infinite Presence, Unlimited Potential. Our head office, Sonnet Unity headquarters in America, are inviting reflective questions. You can ask yourself, what does that mean to you? What is God? Where is God? What does infinite presence mean to you? And what is your potential? Why are you here? Why are we here? What's ours to know and express, to give and receive? So there are many reflective questions we can take into the day, but also, of course, it's that invitation of taking time to be still, to get quiet, to relax, to open, to know infinite presence as your presence, as our presence. And that together we can really know that and become that on this planet. And I think that's really what the call is, to know and experience today.
Well, those are very inspiring words for us to conclude our little segment with. So thank you so much, as always, Kimmery, and we look forward to seeing you again in a month or so.
Thank you, Stephen. Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.